Adom, President for the Brothers and Sisters Association, live from Portions Restaurant, Jomu, and Martina saying, most way on Tuesday, they are our favorite personality. Now, is no abro. Now, in there, in the difference, and you're not the biggest song, one of our biggest classics. Another guy enjoy power now the man behind the song and the pay you not so yeah and you to far he's one of Ghana's nicest voices about the voice the lyrics of now I don't be possible or because of the way our children and I most man is a ten as you know, Sanga, what was the now? What's the name of it? ABOCHI, I have a guest. Oh, I had the other pay. Good morning.
Good morning.
ABOCHI.
Adom once. Nice one.
Bestie, big song, big song. How many years ago?
4 years.
Okay.
I think 4 or 5 years. Yeah.
And the me na odobi bia na obia and Rebecca there I have another song of you many papa
okay
mama
oh
and you may come up into the whole composition day 100 over 100 and more thousand
you know I bet
into the bestie Rebecca there or no na or shoot to Palma Ghana phobia at
yeah bestie. Oh no, my second song I'm releasing. Okay. But the first song I'm releasing Mama.
Auntie, Mama no American no. Oh no yeah. Oh no, your first song.
Yes.
I see.
But I'm releasing the same year. I'm releasing the same year. But best in also the drag game Mama no more.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. No one married you 4 years ago. Bestie. And I be my enjoy ABOCHI in our hotel in nation. I'm in the Portions Restaurant for us. One of the bro, it's Portions who will join last chance. I quanted one of my separated when I go to now from 059 74 35 345. Macacho day. Portions, how is it? How is the bumper papa? Is the bumper papa? My party, we are praying. Is the baby and for the open more jollof, I can go to no more discounts. To my enjoyment. All partner, what's what you have local and continental. I have you the summer, Miss Portions, one number to be 059 74 35 345. Portions Restaurant or Joe. But I see here, Papa ABOCHI, and I'm going to about it's a birthday October,
July.
Nancy, I bet it's now occasion, so in the mail that you release a song, they're not a Casafa. Birthday celebration.
Oh, the occasions now. The whole general idea is to do an album about occasional songs.
Okay. You established that you have a new album.
Yes.
And it's not that only occasions.
Yes.
Okay. Until me too.
That's that because of the Mother's Day song. We have Father's Day song, so since I done the official Mother's Day and Father's Day song every year. So I decided to do more occasional songs and put it together as an album. On the album, you get songs like wedding song, anniversary song, birthday song, funeral song, Christmas, New Year's, party, celebration. So all the general occasions you can think about, you get it on the album. That is why I named the album Occasions.
Occasions, okay. So I say the new album is occasions, which is for every occasion. Every occasion, yeah, and do Mother's Day, Father's Day, birthday, name is Is it
I'm qualified.
I see.
I'm qualified. But it didn't really sound like I wanted it to sound. And due to time, I had to just discard it. Okay. So maybe I'll release a single song about newborn.
Well, since you've been to that line, you could have done anything. Then for every occasion, not you put it together.
I believe that as a businessman, as an artist, something that has worked for you before, it is important to do more of that because as I gave the reference, Mother's Day and Father's Day songs, because every year they are like the streams and the people that are using the song every year. Even if it's not Mother's Day or Father's Day, people still vibe to the song. And so I feel there I had a good opportunity to do more of the occasional song. That is why I put it together as an album, because when I tag him there, I'm an occasional song artist. No, I'm not an occasional song. This is a body of work. This is an album. That is why I decided to do it that way.
Okay. No one samarange. ABOCHI and I'm not say Richard Komono. Now, yeah, enjoy it from the album occasions. Yeah, for weddings and
of course.
You know, enjoy wedding. You know, yeah, for weddings because every wedding we are telling me. Yeah, enjoy now in CCL. Okay. It's wedding day in the official aka song stress and you may come up you will feel it you should have you because I bring to love songs are yeah the papa hey pedal but maybe said the man will love life songs.
Oh yes, I'm a very romantic guy.
Oh
yeah, my love life and when the matter love song they are reflected in the songs and the lyrics. Yeah.
It's like the bestie.
My bestie was a personal story.
I see.
Yes.
It's in how far? Okay, consider. I'm had a part 2 of that.
And the relationship like that, if the other person doesn't feel the same way, I can confess and make me feel now I'm feeling the same way. I know why I say friendship.
It's based on what are your besties.
Oh. It's my she found out, and then we came together for some time, dated for some time, but we realized that better as friends, because nanzama be career friends, and I jealous about, and I am fighting about, and now it became a whole messy.
Wow.
So the relationship became toxic.
I see.
See, we had to mutually part ways. Oh no, now I'm the prison break song.
Okay.
Because it felt like breaking out of prison at that moment. It's, no,
hey, ABOCHI. Mommy said, if you are able to put your personal life out there like that, how vulnerable can you be?
Oh, I don't think they're vulnerable because I feel that so far some of the best songs are songs or situations you have experienced yourself. To echo through not a little about it, the manner in which you put it really comes out. And the main purpose of me doing songs with some of my personal life experiences is there open so better not the advice and now that feeling okay about situation or problem. Like the best thing like this, I've attended a lot of weddings that happened because one sent the song to another and now they dated and now they are married and the good impact is also there.
I see.
Prison break like this, I meet people who always thank me for doing that song because when they had broken hearts they didn't know what to do, but when they came across the song they realized that there's more to life than broken hearts.
Hey,
so it's my life lessons will change lives.
Okay.
And I think it is something I really enjoy doing as an artist.
I see.
Because I've always wanted my music to have impact on people.
Yeah. One of the people that make very good music who are having no piano good music.
Thank you.
You're honest. Now so no back the Ghana father
I'm in Canada because I also feel that my son I'm releasing more songs. After the bestie and the prison break, I've released about 4 more songs, and it's like one song a year. So, Metro Macadam and I'm consistent with releasing.
People the one song I can artist of the year. Every time promotion or what team? What's the challenge?
Okay, so I used to be in a label, but I broke out of the label after 2 years of working with them. And I had to really package myself and come back. And when the mayor best and I didn't this hairstyle and this new brand wasn't really there. So I had to take my time and come up well as a rebranded artist. Into Damien money in our account. Into to really come back into the scene consistently now. Now I made the occasions album now. So that is why I'm giving people like 10 songs directly. You're promoting so they will see my consistency and they will enjoy the many songs I've recorded there are moved from by out.
Okay.
Yeah.
International occasions here, as I'm born for every occasion, and there are songs that are going to last for a very long time.
Of course.
Let's say the night the man I can relax. It will be a
relax.
But my every personality say like a pede to mark a chica.
Oh, since I didn't say children because the last time I said children and you know was running and I had to chase after the song. And because I got people saying, "Oh, I know this song." But I didn't know the artist. I didn't know who did the song.
Yeah, it's a personality thing, no. In your team, they may be all maybe know than a par or the kid know, but some
oh, I'm also
we laid back,
low key guy. So I'm also come. But this time I'm coming out.
Okay. Into my share what track list. No, there's wedding day on the year. I enjoyed the
featuring AK song stretch.
Yes, happy anniversary.
Yes.
And our party time featuring Kofi Kenata.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Kenata, you know a lot of work.
Yes. I'm a producer, so aside being an artist, so I work with other artists as a producer as well. So yeah.
Okay.
But a lot of work.
Kofi, EP na contribution.
Man, I'm a Mexican master in
all the songs.
Yes.
Wow.
And I produced 2 of the songs on the album. I recorded the whole.
ABOCHI, your management team or the king, baby, Papa, because here there was and Pebia, Nakaka, happy birthday to me.
Yes.
For the bereaved, to one
yes.
Okay, you feature cool bunny.
Yeah.
And Christmas in Africa, also New Year, if you church have coming in decline.
Yeah.
Wow. Father's Day, you know, Mama, also an extended version of that song.
Yes.
Okay, in a celebration locations. Which is your favorite on that album?
Can I choose 3?
Okay.
I'll go for anniversary song. I'll go for party time featuring Kofi Kenata. Some more. The songs need not great, great. But I'll also go for the bereaved. Featuring the Kubani, yeah. Okay, I wanted to do a funeral song that reminds you of where you are going someday. I wanted it to be a reminder. Someday it's going to be our turn. So we need to live our lives carefully and also live a life that is going to paint a good memory in the minds of the people. Yeah, but I'll recommend anniversary song for you and.
I recommend on my personal song. Okay. Now, maybe I baby day. So you know one especially for.
Yeah, so this is a customized flash drive and a card for. Special people. So.
Okay, but album day, your streaming platforms.
Yes. Our Apple Music, Audio Mac, YouTube. Spotify, Deezer, any other major platform there. I better did just snaps on TikTok now that so or also.
Okay. Now apart from Kofi, want to be
many AK song stress I many DJ
Adom. Make a production.
Yes.
I mean now I want to produce.
I'm the phone man and producer. AK song stress Jonathan, man and producer. Many when the share I released some songs before this one. Even Viviana, as well. Yeah.
I see.
So I did the production of those songs. Wow. I did Sister Fia, Caribou, like 2 songs where I was releasing and so I've worked with most of the artists.
Okay. Yeah. And better or profitable in your
Oh, yeah, profitable. I mean, aside the monetary side, so you get to create connections with these people. Yeah, so.
You'll be a better day. Money and love, more is never.
Hey, money and love. I'll go for. Some more. They are all necessary. Yeah, because even if you have the love, no money,
no much love.
No, I won't go for love. Totally.
Okay.
I mean, balance something. Because I don't know what else can you spices behind you, I don't know. Basically, about oh, I don't like the money. No, boy. Okay. Even if she doesn't like the money, and you use money to buy something for her, she'll be happy. So.
Okay. David O'Kane was when money enter love.
Love is sweeter, of course.
So no one summer again. ABOCHI, Nyamisha Papa, make sure that to your fans out there, people who are still following your music,
yeah, first of all, I appreciate you for having me on this show. I've been watching Badwam. Yeah, so I'm glad I'm finally on it. And thanks to all the Adom crew. I also like to thank every fan who's been supporting and streaming my songs. And I'll say something there. Album means also, but the support foundation, 3 foundations.
Okay.
So when you go to abochimusic.com, ABOCHI music.com, about to purchase the album. Now any purchase you make on the album, a percentage is sent to a foundation that feeds the streets.
Okay.
Another percentage is sent to a foundation that deals with mental health. And another percentage is sent to a foundation that does mental health screening. And see, anytime you purchase the album at abochimusic.com, we help the streets also. So that is one other project I'm also doing to support this album. Yeah.
Nice. So, good news for Papa Nyamisho. It takes somebody with a heart to want to do something like that.
Thank you.
Nyamisho Papa, Jessica Nampono, watch Sikado. Watch Sikado, or I'm one here, Sikamanka Santino, ABOCHI Nyamisho Papa. Now, fight on occasions.
Yeah.
Ocho, Boko Stream, also one tall album, no, from my home, one talk on family. You more doing in I come on the wedding day they enjoy Papa. Broke up is a prison break, Miss Bejo, because I'm the best in the part 2. Hey, I can't know. Bestie, the part 2 didn't know, but the bestie had day. Is there no air the fancy door? Mamanda Portions restaurant for us was one breakfast know about why come on.
It looks attractive, yeah.
Yes, Portions for in shop one papa, they will be when I bought woman. Na to now the superstars no but na ahade so no bomo zana from one at no the way to know if you want to hold opd mo producer na me look as be mo share camera hon some one more so mo studio bia nyame hye ho nyina nyame Adom Ahosepe na yeshia